Hello YouTube and friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Ideas. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before watching this video. In this video I am going to talk about one of the cable which will help you to retrieve the data from your computer. So let's have a look. I will show you how to use the cable to retrieve the data. Here is the cable. The cable name is USB 3.0 to SATA 2.5 inch HDD adapter cable. You can use this for SSD as well. So let's have a look. So here is the cable, and suppose like you have any computer and you are not able to start the computer and you are not able to retrieve your data. In that case you can use this cable with your working computer and you will be able to retrieve your data by using this cable. So for that, what you have to do, you have to open your computer and remove your hard disk from the computer. So here I have removed my hard disk, and now I need to retrieve data from this hard disk. So this hard disk required SATA cable to access from your working computer. So as you can see here, I have this cable, and you can use this cable like this. So here is the connection, and other side you have a USB port, so you can use this USB into your working computer. So I have this computer, so let me connect to. So before that, let me open my folder explorer. So as you can see, currently I have only one drive, that is local C, and if I connect my hard disk through the cable in the USB port, then I will be able to see another drive. So now it's connected, and here you can see my drive automatically open. So you can see my D drive is listed here. So that's how you can able to access your drive like this. See, so everything whatever in your hard drive you will be able to access in your working computer using this SATA cable. So that's how you can able to retrieve your data. So it's very simple and short video, and if you have any question and if you need the link for the cable, please find it in the description. And if you have any question, post in the comment section, and do like and share my video, and keep watching my videos. Stay tuned to Cool Ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a great